In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Squarespace ownership. Whether you're passing your website onto someone new or simply reorganizing roles in your team, this straightforward process will help you seamlessly hand over the reins in just a few steps. To start off, let's ensure your future site owner is set up as a contributor. It's important to note that inviting them as a contributor lays the groundwork for smooth ownership transfer. Once that's all set, go ahead and open your browser. You're going to search for Squarespace and log into your account. If you're not already familiar, Squarespace is a user-friendly, web-based platform for building vibrant websites with ease. Once logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard and locate the Settings button. Click on it, and you'll find yourself in a menu that lets you manage various aspects of your site's operation and setup. From here, scroll down until you find an option labeled Permission and Ownership. Click on it. This section is crucial as it manages who can do what on your site and, of course, who owns it. Now you're looking at the Permissions and Ownership page. Here, you will see a list of contributors associated with your site. Focus on locating the current owner's information, which should be listed at the top or in a prominent place under Owner. Clicking on their name will open up the details you need to change who has control over the site. The next step is to initiate the transfer. Find the button that says Transfer Ownership. It should be readily visible from the owner's detail page. By clicking this, you will start the process of officially handing over the site to the new owner. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to click Continue. This is essentially a safeguard, ensuring you want to proceed with this potentially significant change. After continuing, you'll need to confirm your decision. Click Confirm to finalize the transfer. And there you have it. With this confirmation, the new contributor becomes the site owner, taking over administrative roles and responsibilities. Remember, the rest of your contributors remain unaffected by this change, and the transition in ownership does not affect the content or the design of your site. It's all about the control and permissions reset. But before wrapping up, double-check that the new owner has received any necessary credentials or instructions for managing the site effectively. This way, everything can continue running smoothly without any unintended disruptions. Thank you for joining me today to learn about transferring Squarespace ownership. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.